See here, you said that there is no D drive here, is it? There is no D drive here. Okay. So what you have to do is that there is no D drive. Then right click on computer. Right click on manage. After manage, go to this management. Okay, this management. See here, in this management, this is unallocated. That means you're not create. Okay, it's not partition. When you format your computer, you not partition. You forgot to partition this one. So what you have to do, no problem. Just right click on this unallocated space. Click on new simple volume. Yeah. Okay, next. That much space. If you want to divide, you can divide. If you don't want, let it be like that. Then after that, next. After that, what drive letter you want to assign? You want to assign D, you want to change. Then after that, click on next. After that, next. After that, finish. Okay, formatting now. Okay, completed. So here, your drive will appear. Okay, it's simple technique. Clear? Okay. Okay.